Welcome to Grenada Chicken Farm Limited, raised by nature, great for nurture. We are a proud beneficiary of the CRA project, funded by Jeff.
Nestled in Felix Park, St. Andrew, a poultry farm is leveraging digital technology for procedures that traditionally relied on manual labor. Grenada Chicken Farm Limited is now utilizing digital equipment and technological advancements to optimize the feeding and utility consumption during the rearing of their chicks. This upgrade was made possible through grant funding under the Climate Resilient Agriculture's Blue Green Digital Innovation Challenge, valued at approximately $81,076.50. This Digital Innovation Challenge is an integral part of the Jeff-funded Climate Resilient Agriculture project, which promotes resilient agricultural practices in Grenada by assisting local agribusinesses to incorporate modern technology into their processes.
So essentially what we did here, we developed a vertically integrated poultry operation where we hatch, grow, process, and freeze and package. In addition to distribution, we used the grant funding from the CRM project to retrofit the houses with climate control sensors and a computer monitor to control the amount of feed, amount of water, the humidity, and the air speed and temperature inside the houses. So the houses are fully enclosed, and therefore, by using the apparatuses from the CRM project, we're able to really have superior results from the growing operations by utilizing the ideal climate under which the birds will thrive.
This project is empowering entrepreneurs and micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs like Grenada Chicken Farm, by encouraging the integration of digital solutions into their operations, thus reducing their carbon footprint while boosting production.
The birds will eat as much as 6 pounds throughout their entire life cycle, and at the end of that life cycle, they will have 4 or 5 pounds in terms of weight over a 35-day period. Without the CRM apparatuses, we would have had to feed the birds maybe 10 pounds, and then that would take them into 45, 50 days to get that same weight. So by doing so, we reduce the carbon footprint and the cost associated with raising each bird. So what I have with me here is the computer control. This controls the entire process. We have the fans, we have the humidity sensors, we have the feed lines, we have the water lines. So what the computer does, it regulates based on what the bird's usages is, and therefore we reduce significantly the amount of wastage. Again, this reduces the carbon footprint in addition to reducing the costs to produce each bird.
Grenada Chicken Farm currently has the largest chicken growing facility on the island with a maximum capacity of 75,000 plus chicks. This technology allows the establishment to keep up with international trends while maintaining a competitive advantage.
So the impact this project has had on the local poultry sector, ideally the production rate for Grenada would be about £1 million a year. Just the last year, while we're not at full capacity, we would have produced about £3 million. Now the capacity of the whole project is about 12.5 million pounds. We're hoping to significantly reduce the importation of poultry to Grenada as a whole. So as a whole, Grenada would have imported between 15 to 20 million pounds, depending on the economic cycle. So in a down year, it's 15 million pounds, and an up year, it will be 20 million pounds. With this facility, we're hoping to significantly reduce the importation of said poultry, which will allow us to shore up our food security and create sustainable poultry protein products produced locally, which is much fresher and much more cost-effective.
At this farm, the sensors track temperature, humidity, air quality, and feed intake in a real time.
So essentially what you're looking at here we have the humidity and air pressure and the temperature sensors. This will send a signal to the computer, and then the computer will decide how many fans to turn on or whether or not the AC will come on to cool down the birds. Additionally, we have sensors within the feeding troughs, and as the bird eats, it will tell the computer, okay, push more feed to the birds because the birds are comfortable and they're growing well, so they can accommodate more feed. Similarly, we have a water line that has a pressure sensor and a meter at the back end, where as the birds drink, it maintains the pressure within the line so that there is no wastage, water falling on the ground, creating foul odor and additional waste of resources. So these are some of the things that we've implemented that has significantly not only reduced costs, but create an environment under which the birds thrive and perform well.
The Blue-Green Digital Innovation Challenge is a significant step forward for Grenada's agricultural sector and demonstrates the country's commitment to fostering innovation, digital transformation, and building resilience. The incorporation of digital technology in this local poultry business has the potential to unlock new opportunities and pave the way for a sustainable and prosperous agricultural future in Grenada. With the combined efforts of the Ministry of Agriculture and Lands, the United Nations Development Programme, and the Global Environment Facility, along with visionary minds like Kyron Crosdale and the team at the Grenada Chicken Farm Limited, Grenada's agricultural landscape has the potential to undergo a remarkable transformation and ensure a better future for farmers, businesses, and the entire community.